Hello, beautiful friends. This is Lynette, and I am out here today. And guess what we're going to do today? We're going to plant dahlias. Okay, so over a month ago, I don't know, maybe a month and a week maybe, I planted up all these dahlias for you guys. Some came from Home Depot, proven winners, Sam's Club, and then some from just our local nursery. And I want to do an evaluation today on how they did. And a lot of them did really, really good. Join me today as we go through my dahlias. And some of them are kind of leaning over. So we got to get them in the garden. We got to get them staked up. So I'm excited. Okay, so let's start off with the two containers on the end. They are the Sam's Club border blend. And they're going to get like 24 inches tall. This first container, I planted 4, and I'm going to count 2.5 that are coming back. I have 2 here, and then I have 1 down in here that has green on it, so I'm still going to plant it and see what happens. And then in this container, the same type, Sam's Club border blend, I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all 5 came back, and I don't know if this one got a little bit more sun in my sunroom, who knows, but 5 out of 5, so I'm happy with that. Okay, our next container, they did great. So these are the Vigoro. These were, I believe, at Home Depot. One of them is a lilac thyme and one of them is an orange, so I don't know which is which. So yeah, so both of them are going to be a lilac thyme and an orange, and they're Vigoro. So it looks like I planted 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see in here, but one did not come back at all. I've been kind of babying it, and I've been kind of like checking it for any eyes, and I see nothing. So we're going to call that a loss. But the other 3 did great. Some of them I pinched back, which means you're going to go and pinch off, you know, this middle little branch here so that they'll start to branch out a little bit better. And some of them I didn't, so we'll just see how they do. But anyways, Vigoro, pretty impressed with them, and that's from Home Depot. This next container is from Sam's Club again. It's Sam's Club, and it's Pretty Peen. It's kind of harder to see on the purple, but these did fabulous. So Sam's Club for the win for sure. Let's see, I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I think I had a little piece of an eye or piece of a tuber that had an eye, and it's coming back right in the middle. So I have 5 of them in here. And it's Pretty Peen. The other one is a fringed star, the one on this end. And then the other one's a Pretty Peen again. So I'm just going to have to guess, sort of. I know the ones on the ends are the Pretty Peen, but the one in the middle, I can't remember what it came from. But anyways, we're real happy with Sam's Club. This next one is Sam's Club again. It is the Fringed Star Sam's Club. I think they get 48 inches tall. And I planted 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's doing fabulous. And these little ones, I'm not sure what's happening. Maybe they just didn't get enough sun. But we'll get them in the ground today, and hopefully they'll start to pop up for us. This next one here is Sam's Club again. Lavender Perfection. Lavender Perfection again. Okay, so the 2 on this end here are Sam's Club, and they are looking fabulous. They just need to be staked up. And then this one here is Strader's, our local garden center. And it is a lilac thyme. And it's coming. It's just not going as fast as the others. So looks like I planted 4 in here and all 4 are coming back. Okay, for this last one, it's a Snow Country. And it's from Strader's, which is our local garden center. They're going to get 44 inches tall, and this is going to be that big white dahlia. And they're doing fabulous as well. We just got to get these in the ground. I planted 2, and 2 are coming back for me. So overall, I'm really happy with what's happening. Okay, everyone, so for my tools today, I just bought my gardening bag out. I tried to find the largest stakes I could find, a shovel, some water because we're over the 80s today, some twine, and some scissors. Here is my raised bed area, and this is where I want to plant dahlias, zinnias. I'm going to try lupine. I'm going to do some sunflowers. I already have some larkspur going back there. My neighbor Rex gave me some nasturtium, so I'll do those. But I think I'm going to work in this section right here with the dahlias because I think it would be pretty to have dahlias here and zinnias up front. And what I'm going to do with the tulips that have already bloomed, I'm going to leave some of the green, but they're driving me nuts. So I'm going to cut them back some. And the ones that are still looking pretty, I'm going to let, live their life out. Okay, so I want to start with the tallest ones, and that's going to be the Sam's Club Star Elite. I cleaned my bed out a little bit and I left the tulips that were still pretty. And we're just going to plant them right by this tulip here. And so I want the tallest ones to be in the middle. I'm just sort of easily pulling this away from the other dahlia that's in here. And I'm just going to plop it down in there. Get some starter tone for these guys. This next one is going to be a fringe one. I think I'm going to put it down here. Okay, the next thing I want to do is, because these are going to get tall, I want to go ahead and get my stakes in right now while I'm able to get around them, because once they start growing, you know how dahlias are, they're huge. So I want to get that stake in there, and then I want to just loosely bring this guy up. I might go a little closer with the stake. Hold on. Ugh. I just don't want to hit a tuber. I don't think I went any closer. Oh well. Okay, and then we're just gonna, kind of tie this around this, and then eventually it'll get tall enough I can, put it in the little hook there. The next one I want to do is the Snow Country from Strader's. It's going to get 44 inches. So this one was a 48 inch. This one's a 44 inch one. All right, on this next hole, I want to do a purpley color. And this one is a lilac thyme. It was from Strader's. I don't know, I like to give them a little fresh dirt. And same with this one, I'll stake it when it gets a little bit taller for me. Okay, I think I want to do a couple more on the other side and then I'll bring you back and show you what we got. Okay, I already dug my hole. And on this side, I had a French star one over there. So I think I want one over here. This is from Sam's Club again. And this is the little one that I'm hoping will start to shoot up a little. Pro mix around here. And then just cover it back up with the regular dirt. This one I'm not going to stake just yet until it gets a little bit bigger. And this is my tulips, you guys. Do you see that? They're just rotting, so I'm almost tempted to not do tulips anymore. Okay, here's a close-up look at what we got done today. And here's a dahlia here, and I believe that's a purple one, lilac thyme. And then we put one here, and that is a Star Elite. I think that's going to be like an orangey salmon color. This one, tall one here, is a white one. It's called Snow Country. The one in the middle is Star Elite again, so it's going to be like a salmon orange color. And this one is a fringe star, and I think it's pinky orange. And then right here in the back, I put a purple one, and over here I put Pretty Peen. So it doesn't look like much right now, but hopefully soon it'll be gorgeous. Make sure you get them watered in real well too. So we fertilized them and watered them. Well, thank you guys for spending the afternoon with me today and getting my dahlias planted up. They don't look like much right now, but hopefully soon we'll have some beautiful flowers to show. Go find a dahlia to plant today or whatever flower that speaks to you, and go find your passion. Have a great week, everybody. If you like our content, please subscribe. We would really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys.